To replace this hood support, it's best if you have something or someone to support the hood while you're doing this, because if you're taking off one side, the hood won't stay up by itself. But either way, I'm taking a pocket screwdriver and I'm going to pry this little tab up and out. As I do that, I'm going to lift up on this hood support and then set it aside. Then I'm going to do the same thing up here where it clips onto the hood, just like that. Set it aside. I'm holding up the hood with my other hand because otherwise it wants to fall down. Then I'm going to take my new hood support and slide it onto this ball that it pivots on. Press it on until it clicks. Perfect. And then at the bottom, if it doesn't line up, you can just twist it just like that. Press it on. It clicks. Now you can let go of the hood and it is well supported. And at this point, you can do the same to the other side if you had to.